Hey, what's up guys, and how are you guys doing today? It is Friday the 17th of February, and I am walking down to my friend's house, Max's. Now that's where I've been filming the basketball and these World's Hardest Game videos, so I'm walking down there today because my dad is not available to be able to drive me at the moment, so I'll see you guys when I get closer there. I'm not going to be filming continuously because my battery will die. But anyways, this is what it's like out here. These are the height of the sidewalks. Crazy. But I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Pretty sure these snowbanks are quite high. Who else agrees? Alright. Oh yeah guys, and I forgot to mention why there's no school today. Teachers are having a strike. It's the strike, officials' first ever strike to happen in Nova Scotia, actually. I read an article on, well, provincial news anyway. And it was only going for Nova Scotia, and it's declaring that it's the first ever strike in Nova Scotia. It's a good job for them. I hope they decide, or I hope they get what they needed out of it. So anyways, I'm almost at point A, so peace out. Here we are, point A, Bedford Highway. I'm gonna have to walk literally right here. There's no sidewalk. Oh my god. Now oncoming traffic is a thing. Here we go, back on safe grounds. Letting you guys know I'm about halfway there, just a little under halfway there, so I should be there soon. Peace out. Well, I'm catching up to the snowplow, the Bobcat. I've officially run out of sidewalk. I'm gonna have to go beside it. Now we are coming up near Tim Hortons, so we are at point B. Finally. Too bad I don't have any money. I'm a poor person right now. No money, no problems. Which path? Which way? I'll see you guys soon. This is convenient. Sweet. Personally plowed sidewalk. My caption for this site is what the hell. Here we are. We are officially at pretty much point C. Peace out. Just slide the ice. Oh, thank God. I was having my disbeliefs that this track, right here, was not going to be plowed. So then I'd have to go all the way back and walk all the way up that way I just walked back to the main road. Whew. Thank God it's plowed. It makes it so much easier. I'll see you guys at point D. Okay, everyone. So I just arrived at Point D, my friend's house. Finally got here. It's like, I left at like 12 o'clock, and it's like 1:15 now, so now we're in 15 minutes. But given it with all the snow, that's probably what's going to happen. So I'll see you guys when I meet with my friend here. Just met up with his friend in his $1 million shirt, so we are chilling in his place at the moment. And yeah, we're going to have some pancakes. Wink, wink. Pancakes are boiling nice. This cat looks like he's got a plastic fetish going on here. Meow. Yeah. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Wherever that family you did of them.
I just got picked up by my dad, guys. I think I'm gonna be going there again tomorrow, just because we might end up doing something else. So, other than that, guys, I'll see you guys when we get home. Peace out. Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so it is Saturday right now, and sorry for not recording anymore yesterday. My hair is also a mess, but whatever. Sorry about not recording any more footage yesterday. Kind of got held up till nighttime, so if you guys did, we've reached the end of the vlog, by the way. If you guys did enjoy that video, well, the rest of it anyway, if you guys did enjoy that, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. Thank you guys, and peace out.